Hey, welcome to my channel. Now I'm Junie. Oh my goodness. I'm appearing here after ages. Hey, I am going to do what is it called? Reacting to the album because I have, of course, I have opened the album and everything, but I have not opened the box. I know what are the things there are inside, but I have not opened and seen, and even I've not seen any other unboxing. Nothing. I don't even know how to open this. Okay, so I am just aware that it has a spiral binding book. Okay, so first of all, I really need to thank all of you, those who are going to watch this, and even for all the subscribers, all the viewers here. I continuously get views from this channel, even though I've been inactive for around I don't even know 2 3 years or more than that. But this channel is really, really very special to me as it is my first channel. Plus, I was completely inexperienced. I learned or rather I would say that I've become better in editing and making more videos just because of this channel. So I'm really thankful to all the subscribers. Thanks to the people, those who have followed me, those who were there in my previous journey. Nowadays we you have also become busy. No problem, it's okay, take a chill pill. I even don't get time here. So if you are watching this, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, you can please, I would suggest, please check the playlists. There are a lot of hidden gems here, especially the lyric videos. If you're a new army, then check out all the compilation playlists that I've made, especially of Namjoon, of Yoongi, and of the other BTS members. So, and yeah, I think I've done way more talking and I'll be unboxing this fast. This is rooted in music since Shopper Stop and Hype India has collaborated, and we even have stores in Kolkata. So I somehow grabbed this one from the Shopper Stop online. Yeah. So if you are interested in buying this one and the other one, I think that is rooted in Korea, if I'm not wrong. The other smaller version, okay. So the two small versions are available in their websites. The biggest one is not available here. I think the Living Legends, if I'm not wrong with the names. Now, so yeah, Arirang. Now I'm gonna open Arirang and I'm not gonna listen to their songs. No problem with copyright. I don't care. So, oh, it reminds me of the day that we watched them on Netflix, right? Ooh. Oh, okay, okay. You can open the entire thing. Okay, so it's like this. You can open from all sides, like this. And then on the left side, you have, wait, let me keep everything and show you. You can see them. Ooh, ooh. I think this one is the lyrics section. Yeah. This is the one which was, you know, uh, people have made a PDF out of this entire thing. So we do have this. Oh, or I think it's in the website. Yeah. I mean, look at each of the members here. Oh my goodness. Seems like they all are recording songs. Like, no, Taekook doesn't look like as if they're recording songs. Anyway. And this one is a little bit holographic from the front as well. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the logo. Okay. Some hazy stuff here. Okay, let's watch this together. Okay. Yes, yes, you're singing it. You're singing it correct, Mr. Sokjin. Don't look at me. What is this? I mean, he still had long hair during that time. Oh, yes. Mr. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him. Look at him. Heart attack. That's a microphone, right? Yeah, that's a microphone, J Hope. You're supposed to sing. I mean, no, I'm really feeling hot. It's not that it's because of J Hope. I mean, anyway. Why so shy, Jimin? Okay, so at least some lyrics should have been there here, like as if he is looking at the notes and singing. Anyway, this is rooted in music, Baba. V, rooted in music. Where's your microphone? And you just have a notebook on your lap. Okay. Oh, acha, acha, you are writing something. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I mean, এইভাবে কে গায় ভাই? Who sings like this? Oh, he's feeling it. I mean, he's rooted in music. You know, he's feeling the music. Oh, so much aura. Okay, so now there are um, pictures. Ooh, feels like I became a businessman 6 days a week, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. So regular, calm, stable, but boring. Today we caught a big fish. I think there's gonna be something good. Yo yo. So that's RM, and that's his handwriting. Khub Sundar handwriting. Oh, okay. Now I cannot read these. Now that's some. I mean, I don't even have words to describe or say. Okay, I'm gonna check translations for these. But this one really looks cool because it looks like as if it's written with pencil. I'm getting distracted by Namjoon anyway. Oh yes. Who's done his hair? Right on time, Mr. Hobby. Did I see I'm recording for you? What is he doing? I mean, has he forgotten the concept? He thinks that he is the concept. I mean, yeah, it's he is the concept, but who does this? I mean, what is he even trying to portray from this picture? Oh, now he has his, details written here. Birthday, probably his blood group and everything. And what did he try to do here? Some scribbles? Okay. Very busy playing the drums. Okay, now this is the end. I mean, I can't understand whether it's the end or not. This is reminding me of their the other album, which one had a flip book like this, the game one, BTS Universe. Okay, look at this picture. Wow, wow, look at this. I mean, hey, recording is done. Rest, I'm not saying. He's writing, and then, huh? What happened? What am I even trying to say? I mean, he knows that he is worldwide handsome. My goodness. Oh my goodness. And this one is aging in reverse for sure. I mean, we are similar age, huh? What is he trying to do in this concept? I mean, he has a guitar, I know that, but he's just he just knows he just knows how to be a wrecker, I guess. Oh, Baba. Oh, this is a cute one. I mean, not cute, but I don't want to say anything about him. This man, he just knows how to tease. ওরে তার ছিঁড়ে যাবে বাবা, এমনি করে না। মানে আমার ব্রেনের তার ছিঁড়ে যাবে, আই মেন্ট। আপনি করতে পারেন যেটা আপনি করছেন। Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. See, see, see. He is the one doing all the trends right now, eh? TikToker, biker. Oh my goodness. Okay, all the elements that has been used. Nap, nap, nap. Thank you for patiently waiting. Damn, it was so long to me too. This is the 2.0. I missed you a lot. I mean, I missed you all. Are we on the same page? Wonders and wonders. This seemed like a hint. Wonders and wonders. Mm. Okay, so now it's all the way they write. Thank you, thanking. Yeah, 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 yeah. I mean, I think in this album, Yoongi is really wrecking me hard, probably because of his hairstyle, his long hair. I think we all love his long hair, right? And he knows that he is looking good. He always looks good, of course. Rah, 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 rah. See me, not. Let it be. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know whether I told you the price of this on. You want to know how we record the songs like this? See, proof. I mean, who, who records like this? I mean, you do wear your pants like that in that 2.0, but singing even. Wow, wow. I mean, if if he drinks water, it becomes a concept. He writes notebooks, it's a concept. He's he's putting on his specs, concept. I mean, what is this? I mean, he doesn't even have to try, right? Oh, Baba, another one, just behind him. And he's having a lot of accidents. Huh? He wants to really flaunt his tattoos. Army. Yay, that's me. BDS 2.0, let's go. Okay, and then we have all the lyrics all over again. The entire one. That's cool. Okay, and the credits again. So there's a lot of writing stuff here. And then all the credits mentioned here, and then they usually have this constellation. Oh, so pretty. This was. Oh, they even have Nobody in the studio. Really cool. So now these are, I think these are called the film strips. I'm gonna see after you all are gonna see. Make it so hard, nice like this. Right here with the moon and the stars. I never think when it's in this. This is such high quality. Okay, Yoongi has wrecked me in this album for sure. And then comes another person, V. This was totally worth the price. Okay, now I have not seen the photo cards. Okay, so let me see it first. Okay, okay. Also, this really seems like as if they've taken the photograph in the studio, like after recording. Like, this is, I think this is the same place. No, no, this is not the same place. That was his studio. This one is a like normal studio, I guess. This photo card is going to be expensive. My God. Okay, I am totally wrecked by Yoongi in this album. Totally. Totally. Oh, this is such a. I see. Where are you, Juni? Yeah, I just had to calm myself down. So, yes, yes, I'm there. I'm there. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm there. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. Your brother is wrecking me bad. Oh my, look. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna change this song because this will be a little depressing right now. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm normal. I'm normal. I'm normal. I'm really normal. I'm normal. Good. I can hear people part two. I can hear all the songs that he has sung, all the soft songs that he's done. He's playing the guitar. He's doing the Kim Kwang Sok. His name is Kim Kwang Sok, right? Or I'm saying the name wrong. Anyway, but oh my god, oh my goodness, do you even know that this exists? Of course, you all know. How much is this photo card? Like, how much are people selling this one for? I would want to know. I mean, I don't need it because I have it, but I'm just okay. Okay. This really gave me a Black Swan deja vu or Map of the Soul deja vu. This particular photo because I have his photo card from Map of the Soul, and he literally looks like this. Yeah, this. He suddenly, yes, you were looking at Yoongi for so long. Like I was there in the queue for so long. You were not looking at me. His reaction looks like that. See? Like, where? Moya, say? You were making me wait for so long in the queue. How dare you? Sorry. Sorry, bro. Sorry. 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 I don't even know what. These people were not wearing inners. I mean, what are these called? আমি তো গেঞ্জি জানি for so many years. I always used to scream like, why don't you all wear anything inside? And nowadays they are wearing that only. They aren't wearing anything else. Oh my god! Don't even stare. You know, you could have looked at the notebook. I mean, he is so disappointed right now. He's like, really? So long? Really? And you, I mean, he's saying, you. I thought you're Juni biased. This is what you do? I mean, you should be happy, right? Because you're even Juni biased. Come on. So I gave you some chance, right? Why am I even talking to photo cards? Oh, Baba. But oh, these photo cards are just so cool. So no wonder he has a fist. He's ready to knock my nose, I guess. Then yeah, looking at him for so long. Yeah. Oh, Baba. I mean, this photo card part was wholesome, I guess. And yeah, I think I'm done with this entire album. These are the contents, and I think I've not seen the other photo cards and all the other stuff, but this, whatever I've seen, it's wholesome. Oh, I didn't even say the price. In India, this one was 2,200 rupees. The other one is 2,500 rupees. It's just that I love this concept so much. I wanted to buy this because I could only buy one. So, yeah, that's why. Later on, I am eager to buy the big one. I think the Living Legends. I'm going crazy to buy that. Now, I don't even know whether you've seen the entire thing or not, but if you stayed for so long, thank you so much uh, for for enjoying this with me. My main concept is not views over here. The main concept over here was I have been an army for I've been an army since 2018, where my parents even said, my mother especially said, "Oh, একটাকে পছন্দ করিস তারপর তো ভুলে যাস." Yeah, that's what my mother used to say. You'll forget after a few years. And let me tell you, they have. I've not forgotten them. They were with me during the COVID time. I mean, I have learned so much from them, especially um, since I'm working as well. I'm a teacher, and I had to do a lot of online work. And just because I was so much into online work, I also got so active here doing editing and lyric video and unboxing videos, and I bought so many merch. It's not only that, but even during military, I mean, BTS had gone. Um, this really feels like so many years have passed, right? So many years. 18 fake love era. I've joined. It's 8 years. Wow. 8 বছর তো বন্ধু টেকে না. Wow. I'm so happy that they are with me and I'm with them. They've really been with me through all the times, like good times, bad times, low times, happy times. And one day I just wish that we get to go for their concerts. If you've already visited, great. I have never. So let's see if ever I can go. They don't know that. Ah, this is my favorite song. They don't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't know. You're down, ooh, down, right, you're down.